To speed up my workflow, I improved so as to have the same articulations in the same matrix and in the same cells for each instrument. This method I have optimized previously written scores with Finale or Sibelius, or even with Logic or Cubase or other software. But completely written with all dynamic cymbals, agargic, ties etc., as if the score had to be performed by a real orchestra. In this mode, exporting MIDI, I find all the notes of the full score and I have programmed only the executive effect. Each matrix I renamed by using the articulations contained therein. I also prepared a series of matrix with more articulations per cell in order to have a fair number of possibilities without having to create every time. The possibility of putting then all the cells in the off allows organizing all articulations sampled without need to go to load the missing ones in case of need. Finally, I decided to recall the matrix with a program change, while to recall the articulations that I organized in cells using the control change 85 for the horizontal axis X, 86 for the vertical axis Y, and 87 for AB. In Logic, I created various multi-instruments representing orchestral families. I then inserted the name of the matrix in each multi-instruments with small changes based on the name of the articulation. And I created a custom template with already controlled changes included in the bar 1. To find myself all the main controls that use each tool. Now, according to the articulations that I need to be programmed for the phrasing, I copy and paste MIDI events between the program change to recall the matrix, and control change number 85, 86, 87 to recall the articulation. With the usual method of copying and pasting that with the key combination Command plus C Command plus V, you can duplicate MIDI event, without leaving event list and writing consequently the number of the bar and position. In Vienna Instruments Pro, I have chosen to use the maximum number of cells in the horizontal direction, so as to match the cell number 1 to the numerical value of control change 0, or 10, for the cell 2 will be 20, for the cell 3 will be 30, and so on, multiplying the number of the cell to 10. This method becomes very useful for the articulations in crescendo and diminuendo. For example, the articulations in crescendo of 2 seconds will be positioned in the cell number 2, that for 3 seconds in cell number 3, so this association numbers, it helps me remember that the crescendo of 2s will be in cell number 2 to call back with control change number 20. A comfort that I found in this method when programming, I can move between the bars forward and backward. The articulations are automatically recalled without pressing play. Unfortunately, with the upgrade 10.1.1, the control changes are automatically linked point-to-point lines that have the consequence of continually recall different articulations, and not chosen by me. I solved the problem as I have shown in the free tutorial, in the tutorials video channel on YouTube, replacing the control change with meter events. The meter events unassigned you can only see in event list. With the transform tool, I transformed meter events in control change, so I can go forward and backward and call the articulations, before pressing play.